When winter hits and the roads become treacherous, having a reliable set of tire chains can make all the difference in maintaining traction and ensuring safety. In this video, we'll explore the best tire chains for snow, focusing on 5 top-rated options: KONIG XG-12 Pro, Peerless Auto-Trac, Glacier Chains Cable Tire Chain, Security Chain Company ZT741 Super ZLT, and KONIG XG-12. Each product offers unique features and benefits to help you navigate snowy conditions with confidence. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, KONIG XG-12 Pro. The KONIG XG-12 Pro tire chains are engineered for superior performance and ease of use in severe winter conditions. Designed for passenger cars and SUVs, these chains are an ideal choice for those looking to improve traction and control on icy and snowy roads. With their innovative design and advanced materials, the KONIG XG-12 Pro offers a blend of durability and reliability. Key features. One of the key features of the KONIG XG-12 Pro is its unique self-tensioning system, which ensures a snug fit without the need for manual adjustments. The chains are constructed from high-strength steel, providing excellent grip and durability. Additionally, they feature an easy-to-install design that allows you to put them on your tires quickly, even in challenging conditions. Benefits and usage. These tire chains excel in providing enhanced traction on snow and ice, making them perfect for winter driving. The self-tensioning feature reduces the hassle of installation, allowing you to focus on the road rather than struggling with your equipment. They are also compatible with a wide range of vehicles, including those with limited clearance. Usability. The KONIG XG-12 Pro is designed for straightforward installation and removal. The included instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple for anyone to use, regardless of their experience level. Once on the tire, the chains stay securely in place, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the KONIG XG-12 Pro is built to withstand the rigors of winter driving. The steel links resist wear and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Users report high satisfaction with the durability of these chains, even after multiple seasons of use in harsh conditions. In the second spot, we have Peerless Auto-Trac. The Peerless Auto-Trac tire chains are known for their user-friendly design and effective performance in snowy conditions. They are suitable for a variety of vehicles, including trucks and SUVs, making them a versatile choice for winter travel. The Auto-Trac system simplifies the installation process, ensuring that even novices can fit them without difficulty. Key features. A standout feature of the Peerless Auto-Trac is its automatic tightening system, which eliminates the need for manual adjustments after initial installation. The chains are made from durable steel, providing excellent traction on snow and ice. Additionally, the design includes a diamond pattern for improved grip and reduced road vibrations. Benefits and usage. These tire chains are ideal for drivers who frequently navigate snowy or icy roads. The automatic tightening feature allows for quick and hassle-free installation, making it easy to prepare for winter driving. The diamond pattern design enhances traction, providing confidence on slippery surfaces. Usability. The Peerless Auto-Trac chains are designed for easy installation, even in poor weather conditions. The included instructions are straightforward, guiding users through the installation process. Once installed, the chains fit securely, allowing for safe driving without the worry of slippage. Durability. Constructed from high-strength materials, the Peerless Auto-Trac chains are built to last. They resist wear and tear from icy conditions and rough roads, ensuring they remain effective throughout the winter season. Users appreciate their reliability, with many reporting minimal maintenance required over time. Coming in at number 3 is the Glacier Chains Cable Tire Chain. The Glacier Chains Cable Tire Chain is a lightweight yet effective option for those seeking enhanced traction in snowy conditions. These chains are particularly well-suited for vehicles with limited clearance, making them a popular choice for cars and smaller SUVs. Their compact design allows for easy storage when not in use. Key features. One of the key features of the Glacier Chains Cable Tire Chain is its low-profile design, which minimizes the risk of clearance issues. The chains are made from durable steel cable, providing reliable grip on snow and ice. Additionally, They feature a simple installation process, allowing for quick application in emergencies. Benefits and usage. These tire chains are perfect for drivers looking for an affordable and efficient solution for winter traction. Their lightweight construction makes them easy to handle, while the cable design ensures decent performance in moderate snow conditions. They are particularly beneficial for drivers of smaller vehicles or those who need chains occasionally. Usability. The Glacier Chains cable tire chain is designed for straightforward installation. Users report that the instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it accessible for everyone. The compact design means they can be stored in the trunk without taking up much space, ready for use when needed. Durability. While lightweight, the Glacier chains are built to withstand winter conditions effectively. The steel cable construction offers a good balance between flexibility and strength. Users appreciate their performance, although it's important to note that they may not be as durable as heavier chain options when faced with severe weather. Taking our fourth spot is Security Chain Company ZT741 Super Z LT. The Security Chain Company ZT741 Super Z LT tire chains are designed for exceptional performance on snow and ice, providing a reliable solution for winter driving. These chains are particularly suited for light trucks and SUVs, ensuring maximum traction and stability on slippery roads. Their innovative design sets them apart from traditional chain options. Key features. One of the standout features of the Super Z LT is its unique Z-link pattern, which provides enhanced grip without the need for excessive clearance. The chains are constructed from hardened steel, offering excellent durability and resistance to wear. Additionally, they feature an easy installation process, making them accessible for all drivers. Benefits and usage. These tire chains are perfect for those who require reliable traction in severe winter conditions. The Z-link pattern ensures effective grip, allowing for confident driving on icy roads. They are suitable for both urban and rural settings, making them versatile for various driving scenarios. Usability. The Security Chain Company ZT741 Super Z LT is designed for quick and easy installation. The clear instructions included with the chains guide users through the process, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Once installed, the chains provide a secure fit, allowing for a safe driving experience in challenging conditions. Durability. Built with high-quality materials, the Super Z LT chains are designed to withstand the harshest winter conditions. Their hardened steel construction resists wear and damage, ensuring longevity. Users report high satisfaction with their durability, making them a reliable choice for those who face challenging winter driving regularly. And finally, at number 5, we have KONIG XG-12. The KONIG XG-12 tire chains are engineered for simplicity and effectiveness in snowy conditions. Suitable for a wide range of vehicles, these chains are particularly popular among drivers seeking a user-friendly solution for winter traction. Their compact design ensures they can be easily stored when not in use. Key features. A key feature of the KONIG XG-12 is its easy-to-install design, allowing for quick application without the need for extensive tools. The chains are made from high-strength steel, providing reliable grip on slippery surfaces. Additionally, they feature a self-tensioning system that ensures a snug fit on your tires. Benefits and usage. These tire chains are perfect for those who need an effective solution for occasional winter driving. The easy installation process makes them ideal for drivers who may not have experience with tire chains. Their reliable performance ensures enhanced traction on snow and ice, allowing for safer travel during winter months. Usability. The KONIG XG-12 is designed with user convenience in mind. Installation is straightforward, with clear instructions guiding users through the process. The self-tensioning feature allows for a secure fit, reducing the likelihood of slippage while driving. Durability. Constructed with high-quality materials, the KONIG XG-12 chains are built to last. They withstand the rigors of winter conditions, ensuring reliable performance over time. Users appreciate their durability and effectiveness, making them a popular choice among winter drivers. In conclusion, having the right tire chains can significantly enhance your winter driving experience. From the high-performance KONIG XG-12 Pro to the user-friendly Peerless Auto-Trac, each product we reviewed today offers unique features that cater to different driving needs. The Glacier Chain's cable tire chain provides a lightweight option, while the security chain company ZT741 Super Z LT ensures exceptional grip on icy roads. Finally, the KONIG XG-12 offers an easy-to-use solution for those occasional winter trips. Thank you for watching our review of the best tire chains for snow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more winter driving tips and product reviews.